When winds hit 74 to 95 mile per hour, you might see a few shingles fly and trees shake, but it's mostly minimal damage. Step it up to 96 to 110 mile per hour, and now we're facing roof damage. Big trees tipping over and power outages that can last for days. At 111 to 129 mile per hour, we're in major storm territory. Serious structural damage, blocked roads, and utilities that are out for who knows how long. When winds reach 130 to 156 mile per hour, it's catastrophic. Even the sturdiest homes can take a hit, with trees down and power and water out for weeks. And if we're talking 157 mile per hour and above, it's complete devastation. Roofs ripped off, entire neighborhoods unlivable for months. Remember, storm surge and flooding can be even deadlier than the wind itself. The higher the category, the worse the storm, but every hurricane is dangerous. Stay informed and stay safe.